will see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, alphabets are aligned in left side. The alphabet's numbers are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So let's see code to print this pattern. We have already seen code to print number triangle pattern. Run this file pytriangle.py. In this file, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern character 64 plus j plus 5 minus I. We can save this file and run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle